A message for the following county, Cass, North Dakota. The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Tuesday. Timing. Expect snow to develop around 3 p.m. and then diminish around 6 p.m. Tuesday. Blizzard conditions will develop on Tuesday morning. Precipitation rates. The heaviest snowfall rates will occur between 4 p.m. and 10 p.m. this evening. Snow accumulations, 4 to 8 inches. Winds will increase Tuesday morning. Northwest 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Visibilities, below a half mile in snow tonight, below a quarter mile in snow and blowing snow on Tuesday. A winter weather advisory means that periods of snow or sleet will cause travel difficulties. Be prepared for slippery roads and limited visibilities, and use caution while driving. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle.